arutaga wira na niyo tugukorwo nigetha mahote kuingira system itu ya kurihwo as for the next 3 months mweri wa kenda na mweri wa 10 kinya mweri 30th November.
Kurugamio kwa mihang'o eno gutigite andu aingi magagaite aria marari na mwihoko wa kwandikwo wira ni thirikari ya kaunti, no gavana Irongo agikinyiriria na kuga thirikari ndiri na mibango miagiriru makiria ya gukinyaniria mihang'o eno.
Twacokanira hamwe na tuona ni tondu wa demand iri rikuo nene muno na tutiri na policy njega ya kumanage casuals. Ngende gutangathira andu ara Laikipia county aria othe makuragia maukaru kuroka rucio kuria wira ati rucio noke tutigukorwo tukiapply wira, tutigukorwo tukirecruit casuals, tukomba kuongerera aria ihinda ringi ria mieri 3 inywe mukwendaga wira mutuhe ihinda tukorwo twatua matua mega uria turi mwega wira uthi na mbere.
Irongo ongereire na kuga ni makuranite ati kuri na aruti wira makoretwo gikiro-ini kimwe kwa ihinda iraya thengia wa gukorwo mongereire githomo na uguo no muhaka utheri na waraganio huthike itena-ini riri ria wandikani.
Nginya muthenya umuthi twira professional casuals, ukaigua ndagitari ni casuals, ukaigua andu angi mena degree they are casuals, na kuo toga ni wega to define who is a casual, na kwa hivyo tukakubaliana twambe turugamie uhoro wa recruit rucio na Thursday uria tugutangathitwo twambe turugamie uhoro wa recruit andu aitu a casuals until that time.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia ni Gitau Francis Mwangi wa wira.
Tukima kaunti-ini ya Laikipia tuthie na mbere na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni uritie atongoria kuma ruriri rwa ikamba-ini makorwo makinyitana na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere thiini wa gitaru kiu. Gachagua ugite ati ruriri rwa ikamba ni makoretwo makihingiririo ni giuteti undu uria riu utumite matigwo na thutha na njira nene, akiuga ati ihinda-ini ria uteti ni rithiru na kuria muingi wa bururi uri urenda tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere makorwo makinyitana na thirikari na kuria nyititwo mbaru ni atongoria kuma mwena uyu. Gachagua hararagia hingo ya mathiko ma nyina wa mubunge wa Mwara Vincent Musyoka uria wikaine ta Anne Kareke Musau.
I am telling you as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. So nyinyi wakamba mngoje hiyo mazungumzo, mtakuja kutafuta sisi because there is nothing. Ile mazungumzo ya maana ni vile mmeshikana kwa hii mambo ya Kawaya. Mshikana na Wavinya na MPs yenu, mkuje tuketi na nyinyi na rais tuongee mambo ya Ukambani. Finished. Na nyinyi mmechaguliwa na watu. Mkuje tuongee mambo ya maji, tuongee mambo ya barabara, tuongee mambo ya bolea, tuongee mambo ya masomo. Sasa ile mazungumzo kadhaa wametumwa, hakuna kitu hapo ya kuzungumza. Raila tayari atasema mambo yake. Alimalizia Mombasa. Hii ni mambo tu ya kuzungusha wa Kenya. Kuzungusha wa Kenya. There is nothing. I look forward to a day these leaders will lead this community into government. President William Ruto and I are ready and waiting. Tumefungua milango. Tafadhali njoo. Kujeni tufanye kazi pamoja. Let us dignify this community. Hawa kama kuna mtu amekosea, ni watu wazuri, ni watu wako na bidii. Ni kupotezwa tu, wamepotezwa na viongozi. So let us try to guide a community.
Tukithie na mbere ni ati urimi wa makorofia ni utanyitwo gukorwo ukiambatira na njira nene mwena wa Naivasha county-ini ya Naikuru, na ni thutha wa kambuni imwe kuma bururi-ini wa Israel kwambiriria uhandi wa makorofia thiini wa mugunda wa eka 400. Mihang'o ya uhandi wa makorofia maya ni ratwarithio na mbere na makiria ma andu 1,000 ni matanyitwo gukorwo makigunika na mieke ya mawira.
Itanyiheire 300,000 ya makorofia niyo handitwo mugunda-ini uyu wa eka 400 mwena wa Dafifi Naivasha county-ini ya Naikuru. Kuringana na rugamiriri mugunda-ini uyu, muoroto ni kwarahura urimi gicigo-ini giki na oho guthomithia arimi maundu matiganite megi urimi niguo gutigirira ni mona umithio wa wira wao.
Agriculture is not about trees, is not about tractors, not about computers. Agriculture is about people.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene mugunda-ini uyu Jiora Merom, andu matanyiheire 1,000 nio maratwarithia na mbere mihang'o ya kuramata mugunda uyu, akiuga ica ikuhi na beno ni gukorwo ikiongerereka.
Production in Kenya is very low compared to other countries. So we can produce avocado, very good and very quality avocado, in a very low prices. So we believe in the Kenyan avocado and I think it will be very good in the market.
Aigithia ya ariania kuma bururi-ini wa Israel maugite maranyitanira na thirikari ya Kenya niguo gutigirira urimi wa mithemba itiganite ya mimera ni agia na umithio kuri arimi othe.
We can see with what Granite have been able to do for the last 1 year, and the prospects are so high in terms of increasing the acreages and avocado. That way we're going to build our economy, we're going to increase job opportunities.
Kuringana na Merom, thina munene uria ukoretwo magumeire ni guthuka gwa barabara, undu uria uracungiriria makorwo na ihinda iritu kuingira mugunda-ini uyu, agiikia ritana kuri thirikari guthondeka barabara cia mwena uyu.
There's a big ground and many booths, and I'm glad that I see the local community so much involved in it. They will be able to spread the knowledge and to take it to even to the small farms.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Haya, tubie na mbere wega na mohoro. Gitau na President William Ruto ni oretio gukorwo akiingirira na kunina ndugamano ya migunda na iria ikoretwo igicungiriria kambuni kumomorwo mwena wa Morem guku Nairobi, na ningi gucungiriria mbeu njithi gukorwo makiurwo ni mawira mao. Aigithia mwena uyu maugite ati ihinda ria miake na mithuru kambuni citanyihiire 14 nicio cireketie kumomorwo. Ritana riri rikitio ni umwe wa aigithia na ni aria mamomoreirwo kambuni yake ya uthondeki wa indo mwaka wa 2021 na gucungiriria a Kenya matanyihire 50 gukorwo magitigithio wira, akiuga ati amati megwateire mugunda uyu na ningi magicoka kumiendia.
We are waiting for the court ruling. You see, we got it's not only me, there are another 14 companies who are in the court, like MCO. This land belongs to them because they were my neighbors. I used to work here myself 25 years ago. You get my point? I used to come here every day, 7 o'clock in the morning. Our investors cannot, like, if this comes to Al Jazeera tomorrow or BBC, my friend, people say, this is Kenya? Oh my God, are we in the right place? I am born here. My father was born here. And the way I'm being treated, that nobody wants to know me. But 50 people, they lost the job. Right now, they are crying. They say we became jobless. We should have not done what we did. We were misled by the people who told us to do what we did. That's a very big mistake we made, and now we are dying hungry. I would love our president to get involved because he had a similar problem like me, okay, and he knows what he went through. I'm going through the same thing. So that is my message to the president. Please, you have to get involved because there are some people in the police who are in the wrong place in the wrong place.
Tukitigana na icio cia umomori wa makambuni ni ati namo makiria ma ciringi milioni 80 nicio cigukorwo cikihuthika guthondeka weru mathukuru matiganite kuria mwena wa Juja gicigo-ini kia Juja kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, na ni mathukuru maria makoretwo matiganeirio na njira nene. Mubunge wa Juja George Koibori niwe uheanite ndeto ino akiuga ati kigina giki gigukorwo gikihuthika hari tabarira 15 mwanya mwanya na waki uria bangirwo gukorwo gikinyanira gwa kahinda ka mieri iri yukite iri ta njira ya gukuria githomo mwena ucio.
They have no right to sell.
Aya, na tukaba gucunga muhera hau ni undu wa ripoti icio kunyitana. Tugithie na mbere ni ati mbeu njithi kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni mamukirite mathomo na maria mekumateithiriria kwigwatira mieke iria iri kuo ya uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu. Mathomo maya maraheanwo ni The Africa Digital Media na unyitaniri na ataramu wa maundu ma kimitambo mari na muoroto munene wa gukinyira na guteithiriria mbeu njithi kuma mwena ucio. Kuringana na mukui Bidiwo na uria ni umwe wa aria mari thiini wa muhari wa mbere mubango-ini uyu, mbeu njithi riu ni mekuhota gukorwo makigia na utauku wa mitambo na njira ngindiriku.
Going on and what they can do about it. And at ADMI in particular, we support our students to create multimedia projects that are able to connect with their peers about these issues. So, whether it's videos, whether it is music, we really empower our young people to try and connect with these issues in their own way. And we've also seen interactive immersive technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality as being really a key way to be able to educate young people so they can be immersed in actually what's going on and they can figure out what to do about it. Supporting our young people to have critical thinking skills, to be able to evaluate really complex environmental issues and propose adaptable strategies will help them mitigate and adapt to the different things that are going on. Working with our partners has been a really important way for us to impact young people so that they can therefore impact the society, especially on issues doing with the environment. So we work with international organizations, NGOs, our local partners to be able to support young people to have a practical experience, to expose them to different solutions that are coming from other parts of the world. And we've also seen that collaborating with local businesses to provide real-world experience for our students has been really helpful in helping them be able to connect what is happening to the real world and what they can do about it.
No tuthiete na mbere wega tumureke riboti ingi na ni ati maabitha a borithi kuma kuria mwena wa Kayore kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni mahithukitie na kunyita makiria ma rita 350 ma ithano na iria itari njitikirie na iria ratanyagwo kuhuthika njohi itari njitikirie guku bururi-ini kuringana munini wa county commissioner sub county-ini ya Naivasha Mutua Kisiru ukorwo kwa ithano eno itari njitikirie nikuo kihumo kia wongerereku wa njohi thiini wa matura njohi icigo iria citiganite na njohi itari njitikirie matura-ini.
Lakini na file tu nitashare.
Hii pombe ni sumu. Tunataka kuwaonya wote. Kama wewe ni mtu wa pombe, tafadhali kunywa pombe ambayo unaielewa. Hii ni sumu. Hii ndio inafanya watu wapoteze macho. Na sisi kama kitengo cha usalama katika Naivasha tumejitolea muhanga kupigana nayo. Kama wewe biashara yako ni hii, tunakuomba utafute biashara nyingine. So today we are destroying 300 because they are 14 of 25 liters. It is over 300 liters of pure ethanol. Na ni sumu ambayo watu this is for industrial use, lakini watu wakichukua wanatengeza pombe nayo. So asanteni sana. Tunataka kuwashukuru kwa sababu ya support yenu wananchi, kwa sababu bila support yenu hatuwezi kupigana na hii pombe tukafaulu.
Vile mnaona ni pure ethanol na hizi ni lita 350 na hii inaweza tengeneza pombe nyingi sana kwa sababu is pure ethanol na iko concentrated. Sasa wakianza kuchanganya na watengeneza kwa vile vichupa, kwa sababu chupa moja inachukua kama 250 ml, hii inaweza tengeneza vichupa vingi sana vya pombe. Tuko na chupa cartons 120 zile zilifaa zichanganywe, kisha changanywa ethanol iwekwe ndani ya hiyo chupa na iuziwe wananchi wetu. Ningependa kuwarai watu wa bars, tafadhali wasiuzie wananchi wetu sumu, kwa sababu vile wanachanganya hii ethanol hawajui kipimo ambacho yafaa kiwekewe mwanadamu.
Aya tuthie na mbere na atongoria matura-ini mwena wa Embu nao ni matetete iguru rigie kuongerereka kwa ciiko cia witikio wa kinduire na uria ni wa kunyururia atumia na ningi gucungiriria muthutukanio gatagati ka atumia. Makiaria hingo ya mucemanio na atongoria ni ati atongoria ni maugite ati riu ni mekwambiriria gukorwo makiaraniria na muingi na niguo na anyiti itemi matiganite niguo guthomithia muingi bata wa kunyitirira atumia guothe bururi-ini. Hamwe noguo ona mbeu njithi na ciana ni megukorwo makiheo githomo giki niguo kumateithiriria kugia na utauku wa maundu matiganite maria mangirehera muthutukanio. Riboti yo ni tugukorwo tukikurehera ndagika itari kunene. Reke twambe tuthie nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria gukwirite president orondo mwe na munini wake mambite hema ni undu wa guthikiriria nyimbo marebeta matiganite kuma kuri ciana cia thukuru aria makorirwo makihota macindano-ini ma mathukuru kiumia kihituku, macindano maria mahanikire kuria mwena wa Nyeri. Tuthie mwe kwa ndagika ino tuthikiririe miario ya atongoria aria maumagaritie president William Ruto.
Weka mkono tuimbe sisi wote kama wewe si kigeugeu. Lalisha, twende DJ. Hey. Hey. Weka mkono. Dunia nizamishe ama uniweke niishi peke yangu, kwani ninapomwamini kila binadamu mwishowe ananigeukia. Dunia nizamishe ama uniweke niishi peke yangu, kwani ninapomwamini kila binadamu mwishowe ananigeukia. Nimtazame nani, nimwamini nani? Nani wananigeukia? Vigeugeu wananigeukia. Namwamini daktari sana amponye rafiki yangu, wanamweka kwenye life support machine, kumbe aliaga ni pesa na kusanya. Mama mzito anamwamini Mungu, mzalishie mtoto baada miezi 9. Weka mkono tukimaliza. Namgeukia mtoto anamugeuzia akiaso juu chini ili avuke boda. Wananigeukia. Asante sana, thank you.
Thank you. Asanteni sana. Tafadhali tuketi chini. Thank you very much. Ndugu viongozi wote, walimu walio kati yetu, adjudicators, committee ambayo imesimamia, na wanafunzi wetu, hamjambo. Good afternoon everybody. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Assalamu alaikum. Asanteni sana. Kwanza mimi nataka nimshukuru Mungu kwa kutupatia hii nafasi, na niwapongeze wale wote ambao walishiriki katika festival hii ya muziki katika mashule zetu na colleges zetu zote pamoja na university. And I want to say in a very special way, congratulations to the teams that have performed here, listening, watching. What has happened here confirms to me that we have indeed not just a great nation, but we have great talent in Kenya. And I want to say congratulations. The inspiration that I have seen from the many scripts of song, of drama, and of everything else that I have watched is a testament and a manifestation that indeed we are a wealthy nation in terms of talent, creativity, and also innovation. I have seen with my own eyes this great display of wonderful talent. And let me say to all who participated to get us here, from those who started at the lower levels, we've been told here about 2 million learners in different categories participated in the initial program, and 130,000 made it to Nyeri. I want to say to those who have made it here this morning and afternoon, congratulations again. Pongezi sana. And it is in the wider context of what we are doing in our creative space, in our arts and culture, and of course in our education. As we all know, many statements have been made here about this event being CBC in practice. I know we had a debate as a country for a while about where we were going with our education. And I want to thank all education stakeholders, our teachers, our teacher management units, and everybody else, including, of course, the input of many parents whom we engaged. I think we engaged close to 20,000 parents. in formulating and straightening the challenges that were there with CBC, I am very proud to announce to the country that all the challenges that we had with CBC have now been sorted out. And our children can learn knowing very well where we are all going, and parents should be sure what is happening to their children. I must thank the Committee of Parliament when we took proposals to them on enhancing our education budget. Members of Parliament did approve. And this year, we have the largest budget for education in Kenyan history. And we have put that budget together because education is central to the development of Kenya. Our human capital development being the best asset that we have as a nation requires every facilitation that we can put together as a country. And because of what we have managed to do around that space, I am now very confident that we have what it takes to sharpen our human capital and make it ready for any assignment. And our young people from kindergarten all the way to university, we now have clarity on how we are going to use the resources that we have allocated to make sure that all our children get the learning that they deserve and progress their education to the best of their ability and make sure that we unlock the talent of every young person in Kenya. As a result, we've done a couple of things because the children we have here are very important to us. Every parent is very emotive about their children, and it is rightfully so. And so, as part of building that ecosystem of growing and sharpening our human capital, this year, in January and in July, we've hired an additional 56,000 teachers to make sure that learners in our primary and secondary schools have teachers to teach them. This year, also, we have reorganized the funding models for our TVET, all tertiary institutions, TVET and university, so that we can better attend to the needs. And apart from reorganizing the funding model, we have also increased resources that will be available for our learners to acquire knowledge, to acquire skills, professional skills included, in our technical schools or middle-level colleges, including our universities. Let me also say, we have also worked with the Teacher Service Commission so that we can incentivize our teachers to bring out their best by making sure that teachers who do well, we also provide for their promotion. And this year, we have provided for the promotion of 5,000 teachers directly, and 36,000 teachers indirectly will be promoted this year. We have provided 1 billion shillings that will go in that direction. I want to encourage teachers to step forward, do their best, because apart from doing what we must do as a society to make sure that our teachers are looked after, we want to promote those who excel, those who do well because they have gone beyond their call of duty. I want to recommend here, Waziri for Education, that the teachers who have done this phenomenal job, who have trained these young people, who have written the scripts, who have done the exemplary work, should join those to be promoted in this cycle. Because I believe that they deserve that promotion because they have excelled and they have gone beyond the call of duty. Let me also, in a very special way, congratulate everybody who has been involved. Hopefully I get an opportunity to have a conversation with the teams that have put this event together. I have listened to the chairman very carefully, Frederick Ngala. Fortunately, I have no problem with the English you spoke.
Aya, cio nĩ President William Ruto gĩikaro-inĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Mohoro macio na mangĩ nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũrehera thĩinĩ wa mohoro maitũ marĩa marũmĩrĩire mathaa-inĩ ma hwaĩ-inĩ. Tũgũkinyia hau na nĩ ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa gwĩtĩkĩra gũtũcagũra. Thiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera tabarĩra iria cikũrũmĩrĩra. Niĩ njĩtagwo Gĩcimũ, tũgũteithanagia na mwarĩ wa Wamũca. Kwaheri.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa rũrĩrĩ. Rĩrĩ kũratha, bũrũri wothe wa Mũgĩkũyũ ũgacangarara. Narĩo imereta itĩkĩte, ũkiumagaria mahiũ, tũkoimagarania nawe. Ore imathro rĩaku tũtikumaga ikuhĩ. Mũtũrĩre waku na kĩyo gĩaku tũkaiyũkia, tũgakinyũkania ikinya gwa ikinya. Nĩ tondũ ndũgũ itũ ĩmatĩtio na ĩkagĩa cama nĩ ngwatanĩro itũ. Rĩarĩkia gũcoka ngo-inĩ, twetereire ciĩkĩrwo marigũ, tũkarũrũngana boo-inĩ, tũkarunga cia mohoro ma ng'ongo na ng'ongo na tabarĩra iria itwĩgiĩ. O ta thĩ na ikinya, tũtiumanagwo. Kameme TV, mũthegi wa rũrĩrĩ. Kameme TV, tũgũtuĩkanagĩria nduma nĩgetha wone ũtheri.
Wĩrori wa Kameme TV rĩuga kũnyita ũgeni tũthiĩ na mbere na tabarĩra itũ ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Na tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũturagia iru akahoya thĩna.
Kũrũ nĩ kuongorereirwo nĩ maũndũ maya mothe.
Nĩkĩo Kameme TV tũtambũrũkagia guoko gwa tha, tũgakũnengera kĩande gitũ ũkarĩrĩra ho, ũkeitũrũra na ithuĩ tũkagĩa na ihinda rĩa gũkũgiria maithori. Kĩrĩa gĩkũritũhĩire tũkahota gũkwaũra mũrigo wa thĩna ona wa meciria.
Nĩ gũcokia ngatho na njuge Ngai amarathime.
Nĩ guoko gwa tha o mũthenya wa Jumamothi ciehanda thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Muthee Kĩengei guka wa Nairobi agakũnengereria kĩande gĩake ũkarĩrĩra ho.
Rĩu ndĩrenda kũgĩa nyũmba yakwa, rũrũkaiga njĩkire rũrũ kĩhingo nĩkũ gĩtigarĩte.
Nĩ guoko gwa tha na Kameme TV. Kameme TV, mũthegi wa rũrĩrĩ.
Enough is enough. I have had it with these snakes on this.
Oh! Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. King Kong ain't got you on me.
There is an easier way to control your kids' viewing. Just press